Good morning, ma'am. My name is Navita. Roll number is 5414. My presentation topic is Hilbert-Basis theorem. In mathematics, specifically commutative algebra, Hilbert-Basis theorem says that a polynomial ring over a Noetherian ring is Noetherian. Hilbert-Basis theorem: if R is a Noetherian ring, then Rx is a Noetherian ring. Corollary: if R is a Noetherian ring, then R x1, x2, so on xn is a Noetherian ring. This can be translated into algebraic geometry as follows. Every algebraic set over a field can be described as the set of common roots of finitely many polynomial equations. Hilbert 1890 proved the theorem for the special case of polynomial rings over a field. In the course of his proof of finite generation of ring of invariants, Hilbert produced an innovative proof by contradiction using mathematical induction. His method does not give an algorithm to produce the finitely many basis polynomial for a given ideal, it only shows that they must exist. One can determine basis polynomials using the method of Grobner basis theorem. If R is a left-right Noetherian ring, then the polynomial ring is Rx also a left-right Noetherian ring. Remark: we will give two proofs in both, only the left cases is considered. The proof from the right cases is similar. Proof: left A be a left ideal and E be the set of leading coefficient member of A contained Rx. Obviously, a left ideal over R and so is finitely generated by the leading coefficient of many members of A, say F0, F1, so on Fn minus 1. Let D be the maximum of the set, degree F0, so on degree Fn minus 1. And let Bk be the set of leading coefficient of member of A whose degree is less than equal to k. As before, the Bk are the left ideal over R and so are finitely generated by the leading coefficient of finitely members of A, say F0 raised to power k, so on Fn raised to power k, Fn k minus 1 raised to power k with degrees less than equal to k. Now let A star contained Rx be the left ideal generated by Fi Fj raised to power k such that I less than n, j less than n raised to power k, k less than d, which have A star contain A and claim also A contain A star. Suppose for the sake of contradiction this is not so, then let H belongs to A mod A star be the minimal degree and denote its leading coefficient by case 1 degree H greater than equal to D. Regardless of this, have linear A belongs to B, so is a left combination A equal to summation j uj a j. For the coefficient of the fj, such these polynomials which has the same leading term as a h. Moreover, h naught belongs to a star while h belongs to a star. For h minus h naught belongs to a mod a star. Therefore, an degree h minus h naught less than degree h, which contradicts minimality. Case 2, degree h equal to k less than d, then a belongs to bk, so is a left linear combination a equal to summation j uj aj raised to power k of the leading coefficient of the considering this polynomial. We yield a similar contradiction as in case first. Thus, our claim holds A equal to A star, which is a finitely generated. Note that the only reason we had to split into two cases was to ensure that the powers of x multiply the factors were non-negative in the construction. These are links about the topics. Thank you, ma'am.